My name is Sofia Scarpa. I'm an ocean engineering senior, and the name of our project is Current Capture. Our project is a modular deployable hydro turbine. It's a proof of concept for a grant that a past Florida Tech professor was doing, and he gave it to us as a project to kind of see if we could build an actual prototype to prove that his concept for the proposal would work. So the whole goal of our turbine is that it's deployable off the back of a ship, and it utilizes current. So in this case, it could be a ship going out of Port Canaveral, and it could use the current of the Gulf Stream to spin the turbine. The turbine then generates electricity, and that electricity is transmitted up to the ship. That could be connected to either utility power, or in this case, they want to do something with green energy. So we're actually going to use that electricity to go ahead and power hydrogen cells. Those cells will produce hydrogen, and they can go ahead and offload that when they get into port and sell that for commercial use. This is helpful because the International Maritime Organization is going to start taxing ships based on their non-compliance and their CO2 emissions per ton. So this will help them kind of offset that cost and hopefully reach the IMO's goals of net zero carbon emission in 2050. The end goal will have a proof of concept for some kind of deployable modular turbine. We can go ahead and tweak that, size it up, size it down, change the pitch of the blades for commercial use. So if we can prove this base concept, we can go ahead and expand to great lengths and hopefully get it into the industry. I think if I were to give anyone advice who's interested in my major, I would say get involved. Get involved in projects, reach out to professors, reach out to institutions. The best thing that you can do is get your hands dirty early, and that will give you all kinds of experience. It'll help you build skills for your resume, and it'll also kind of set in stone if this is something that you do really want to pursue. It's an awesome major. It combines all kinds of science and technology with things that people love, like the ocean. But my biggest advice would be get your hands dirty and get them dirty as soon as possible.